These ancient human psychology videos are going viral on YouTube right now. And this channel has just started and already gained more than 10,000 subscribers. And one of his videos has gained around 1.8 million views. And now, watch what I created with AI in just 5 minutes. A group of archaeologists once uncovered something strange inside an ancient cave in South Africa. At first, it didn't look unusual, just bones, tools, the usual traces of early humans. But then they noticed something unsettling. The cave wasn't just a shelter. It was deep, dark, dangerous. The kind of place no human would casually wander into. And yet, scattered throughout its depths were remains of early humans, deliberately placed there. I am going to show you a totally free method to create these by yourself. Make sure you subscribe. We are just starting now. Open the master prompt, link is in description. Copy the video discovery prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Hit enter, and it will provide you 5 engaging ideas to choose from. Pick the one you like. I am going with third one. Now, copy the script creation prompt and paste it here. Copy the video idea you choose and insert it in topic section. Hit enter, and GPT will provide you a full, ready-to-use script in a few seconds. Now, copy the image prompt and paste it in. Now, copy the full script and paste it inside the designated script section. Hit enter, and now it will provide you first 5 image prompt for your scene. Just type next 5, and it will provide the image prompts for the remaining scenes. Now, everything is ready you need in one place. Copy the image prompt 1 and head over to Google Flow.
Select the image option and choose your desired settings. Paste the prompt here and hit generate. Your first image scene is ready in just a few seconds. Click the 3 dots on the image. Add this to prompt. Copy image prompt 2 and paste it here. Repeat the exact same process until your all images are done. I have created the 5 images to show you the full result. Now it's time for the voiceover. Copy the full script. I am just copying a part of it to show you the full process. Paste the script into any text-to-speech tool like 11 Labs and generate the voiceover, done in seconds. Now import all the images and the voiceover in any video editor you use. First add voiceover to the timeline and then align all the images according to the voiceover, so every visual matches the right moment. To give video a cinematic feel, add any effect to it so that it elevates the look of our video. Hit export and your ancient human psychology video is completely ready to go viral on YouTube. The master prompt link is in the description. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Drop a like if this helped, and we will meet soon in next one.